Hello, here's another AQA Physics multi-choice question on the particles topic. If you want to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer right, well done. So what have we got? Unstable nuclei P decays to T through a series of alpha and beta minus decays. Which statement is correct? So let's just remind ourselves what happens to the number of protons and number of neutrons when there's an alpha decay. So when there's an alpha decay, the number of protons reduces by 2 and the number of neutrons reduces by 2. Why does that happen? Because an alpha particle is 2 protons and 2 neutrons, and they're being emitted from the nucleus. When there's a beta minus decay, the proton number increases by 1 and the neutron number decreases by 1. Why does that happen? Because a neutron is decaying into a proton. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's look at the protons for P and the neutrons, and we'll say that P starts off with X number of protons and Y number of neutrons. Let's see what happens to the protons to start with. Okay, so alpha decay, that number is going to reduce by 2, so Q will have X minus 2. Then there's a beta decay, which will increase the number of protons by 1. Another beta decay, which will increase the number of protons by 1. And then an alpha decay, 2 less protons. Let's do the same with the number of neutrons. Alpha decay will reduce the number of neutrons by 2. Beta decay will make it reduce by another 3. Another beta decay, reduced by another 1 to 3 less than the starting number. Another beta decay will reduce the number by 1 again, and finally another alpha decay, and we'll end up with 6 fewer neutrons than we started with. So which statement is correct? P and S are isotopes. Well, isotopes have the same number of neutrons, and they have the same number of protons. Because they're atoms of the same element, and it's the number of protons that defines what the element is. So P and S are isotopes. You can satisfy yourself that B, C and D are all incorrect. All that's left to say is please press that subscribe button, watch more of these videos and share with people who might find them useful. Thank you for watching.